So now access modifiers. As we know, 4 types of access modifiers are there. Let's see the definition first. Access modifier control which class or packages can access a class, variable, method or constructor, right? Basically it's the related to the access part. Okay, and these are crucial for implementing the encapsulation, security and code modularity. 4 types of access modifiers. First is private, default, protected, public. Okay, what is private? Private is the one which we can access within the same class only, within the same class, right? And this can be like sensitive data or the internal logic for the class, right? And default, this is the default when we are not providing any what access modifier, it will take the default, means the same package within the same package, right? Let me show you the example of this package once. Okay, so here you can see, right, these all are the packages. This one is one package, this one config package, this is controller package, right? So these are the packages. Under this we are having the classes, right? So under this controller we are having 3 classes, right? So this is the example of package. Now when we declare the default, that means we are not using any external access modifier, it will use the default. Then we can access the variable under these classes, basically under the same package. Okay, so this was the example of package, right? Now next is protected, same package plus child class even in the different package, right? If in the different package we are extending one class, we are basically using it as a parent class, so we can use the variable from that class in the child class, correct? Plus same package, this is protected, inheritance extension, right? The last is public, access from anywhere, shared APIs, libraries. Let's say some common variable is there that is used everywhere, so we will make it, and we will make it public. It will be accessible from anywhere. These are the 4 types of access modifiers. Let's see the example of this. Private first. Member is accessible within the same class, right? Used to hide internal data, encapsulation, not accessible from other classes, not even the subclass. Okay, student class is there, test class is there, so we are making the object of the student. We are having this private string name. Okay, so if we try to access it here, it will give the error because this is private, we can only access within the student class, correct? Same with this method, this is private, we can access only the same class. Okay, and second one is default, within the same package, not accessible from other packages. Let's say we are having class student and we are having string course, right? Now we are having the test class in the same package. Now we can access this, right? s.course equal to Java, we can access it. Okay, but if there is a file in another package, then we can't access it, right? s.course will be the error now. Okay, and for accessing, basically for making the object also, you need to import the class. These are the simple examples, right? It's easy. Third one is this protected, that is same package plus subclass access from the different package also, right? So let's say we are having same class, we are using protected now, and test class within the same package. Now we can access it, right? It is accessible within the same package. Let's say in the different package we are importing this first, then we are extending it. Now the sub student will be the child class, the student will be the parent class, right? Will be the parent class. Now can we access this? Can we access this int age? Yes, we can access, because this is allowed in the subclass. Okay, this is the protected, and when we can use it, when we want the subclass, okay, and when we are following the inheritance and the oops reusability. Last one is public. Okay, accessible from anywhere. APIs, libraries, or method meant for open usage. This is the ID. Let's say we are making one ID in the student that can be accessible from anywhere. So we are making a class, we can make in the same package also, outside the package also. It will be accessible from anywhere. No restriction will be there. Okay, so this is the combined example. Okay, private will be accessible within the same class, protected will be accessible within the same package plus subclass. Okay, default same package within the same package only, and public accessible from anywhere, right? So that's it. You can find these notes in the description. Okay, these are some points, you can see it, encapsulation, private, and these all are there. Now getters and setters. Now what are they? They are the methods that allow controlled access to the private fields. Okay, these are the methods. Getters and setters are the methods that allow controlled access to the private fields. And why needed? Because direct access is dangerous, right? So here we can see we are having no validation. Let's see with the getters and setters. We already seen this example, right? So we are having the student class and we are having the variable, that is string name, that is private, right? This is the feature of encapsulation. We should make our variables or the fields private, and there will be methods through which we will access them. We should not access them directly. So getter is there, that is get name. Okay, get name. So the name convention should be same, right? So if it is name, so getter will be get name and setter will be set name, like this. Okay, so this is the get name, we are returning the name. This is the setter, we are setting the name passed from the main function or anywhere, right? We are setting this dot name equal to name. Understood? This is basically the getters and setters. It's kind of completed. Okay, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation, basically the wrapping of data into a class, right? And we should not access the fields or the variables directly. We should have some methods to access them, right? To access them. That is what encapsulation, right? For this we will be using the access modifiers, and for this we will be using getters and setters. This is all encapsulation.